Hi friends! It's morning. So, kain tayo ng agahan. So, ang agahan ko ngayon ay donut. And pansit canton. And of course, coffee. Ayan. So, that's it. Masarap ito. Try natin. Kaan. And of course, pansit canton. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Of course, with coffee. Sarap.